guys, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. I have a really cool opportunity coming up in Greenville, South Carolina to speak at y'all's program, and you guys invited me. So right here at the playground, and this is y'all's show, so I'm just gonna let you guys talk.
Yeah, so I'm Brianna. I am the Pediatric Trauma Coordinator at Prisma. If you want to introduce yourself.
Hey, Ashley Metcalf, one of the trauma coordinators.
I'm Jenna Chatham, also one of the trauma PI coordinators.
I'm Mike Walls, I'm the Injury Prevention Outreach Coordinator.
So we are, Prisma Greenville is actually getting to host the 2025 South Carolina Pediatric Trauma and Injury Prevention Symposium on February 28th at the Westin Poinsett downtown Greenville. We are so excited to be one of 4 pediatric trauma centers in the state, and we're excited to be hosting this year.
We have virtual and in-person options for registration. We'd love to have you guys join us in person, but also online.
Cool, so they don't have to be in Greenville. They can sign up for virtual.
Anywhere. Just be on a Eastern time.
Cool.
Yes, we have great speakers coming all the way from rehabilitation to pediatric trauma surgeons and even some mental health throughout the state. So I'm really excited to see what they have to say and how we can learn.
And there's a discount code, so if you register through the link on Skinny Medic's profile, sorry my children, you will get a 20% discount. So we look forward to seeing you all there.
And who is this symposium for? Is it?
Oh yes, for EMS providers, nurses, physicians, surgeons, other trauma programs. Who else? Who am I leaving out?
Firefighters involved?
Firefighters, sure. Anybody.
Injury prevention
Absolutely.
professionals.
Injury prevention,
If you-
Social
yeah.
work.
Yeah.
If you might
Social
be
workers.
in any form or fashion involved in taking care of a child who could be injured, it would be a great opportunity to learn how to care for them well and to feel more prepared.
Yeah.
Cool, thank you guys for having me. I'm super excited to speak. I'm not 100% sure what I'm speaking about yet, so we got it. It'll be fine, we'll wing it. But no, I'm super excited to be there. I'll put a link down below and there's a coupon code. Sign up virtually, come see me in Greenville, South Carolina. Thank you guys. You never know when you'll be the first responder.